The spotlight is on after a High Court judge suggested the Abortion Supervisory Committee should be scrutinising certifying consultants as there are inconsistencies in the way they're using mental health grounds. Right to Life questioned the way in which mental health grounds were used to justify the 98.9% of abortions carried out. That's over 17,000 abortions in 2006.
This is a human rights issue as well as a legal issue, and we want to ensure that the community understands that we're trying to protect the human rights of the weakest, the most defenceless members of the human family, unborn children.
Opponents of abortion have welcomed the decision, saying it's the most important ruling in 30 years. And one provider who offers medical consultants for abortions is Family Planning, and they're also welcoming the decision, saying the laws are outdated, but Family Planning wants to see the law loosened, not tightened. Chief Executive Jackie Edmund believes nurses as well as doctors should be able to refer patients for abortions as well.
Since the 70s, nurses' role in health has changed considerably, and we believe that nurses have the ability and should have the ability to at least do a referral.
She says Family Planning are simply wanting to ensure women have safe access to abortion services.
For us, if you start putting up barriers, we know that places women under an increased amount of pressure. We're not pro-abortion, we're just pro-women having that access and that choice.
The difference in opinion on the abortion issue historically has been a woman's right to choose against the unborn child's right to live. But Family Life International are weighing in, concerned women aren't being given the right information about abortion in order to make an informed choice. According to Brenda Malone, their post-abortion counselling team regularly sees the harm that abortion is doing to the lives of New Zealand women.
Abortion is always more harmful to a woman and always presents serious risks. And we're not just talking about psychological risks here, but we're also talking about physical risks, things like an increased risk of certain reproductive cancers for women who've had abortions, increased risk of endometriosis for women who've had abortions.
The full impact of the High Court decision is still unknown, but it's clear, according to Justice Miller, something is wrong with the abortion law in New Zealand, and big changes are almost certain. Scott Kelso, End Zone Tonight.